Unit 5, Lesson 1. The Greed of the Mighty Rivers. Meherjan lives in a slum on the Shirazganj town protection embankment. Her polythene-roofed shelter looks like a cage. She is nearly 45 but looks more than her age. In front of her shelter, she is trying to make a fire to cook the day's only meal. Her weak hands tremble as she adds some fallen leaves and a straw to the fire. The whispering wind from the river Jamuna makes the fire unsteady. The dancing flames remind Meherjan of the turmoil of her life. Not long ago, Meherjan had everything: a family, cultivable land, and cattle. The erosions of the Jamuna gradually consumed all her landed property. It finally claimed her only shelter during the last monsoon. It took the river only a day to devour Meher's house, trees, vegetable garden, and the bamboo bush. She had a happy family once. Over the years, she lost her husband and her family to disease that cruel hunger and poverty brought to the family. Now, she is the only one left to live on with the loss and the pain. The greedy Jamuna has shattered her dreams and happiness. There are 1,000 others waiting to share the same fate like Meherjan. Bangladesh is a land of rivers, some of whose banks overflow or erode during monsoon. Erosion is a harsh reality for the people living along the river banks. During each monsoon, many more villages are threatened by the mighty rivers like the Jamuna, the Padma, and the Meghna. It is estimated that river erosion makes at least 1 lakh people homeless every year in Bangladesh. In fact, river erosion is one of the main dangers caused by climate change. If we cannot take prompt actions to adapt to climate change, there will be thousands of more Meherjans in our towns and villages. In B, for each phrase below, choose the meaning that is closest to the meaning used in the text above. Question 1. In paragraph 3, mighty rivers mean: A. Rivers that have huge volume of water and very strong currents. B. Rivers having many rowing boats in them. C. Rivers that makes people cry out. D. Rivers that have strong banks. The answer is A. Rivers that have huge volumes of water and very strong currents. Question 2. Landed property. A rented piece of land. B. A piece of land on the bank of a river. C. Property in the form of a source of income to its owner. D. Property used only as an agricultural farm. The answer is C. Property in the form of a source of income to its owner. Question 3. Whispering wind. A. Wind that blows from across the river. B. Wind that blows with a hissing sound. C. Wind that helps someone make a fire. D. Wind that blows in summer. The answer is B. Wind that blows with a hissing sound. Question 4. Dancing flames. A traditional form of folk dance. B. Flames that make people dance around them. C. Flames that are made unstable by the blast of air. D. Flames made by people to remember their past. The answer is C. Flames that are made unstable by the blast of air. In C, there are some questions you have to answer. A. What does Meherjan use to make fire for cooking her meal? The answer is Meherjan uses fallen leaves and straw to make fire for cooking her meals. Question B. What property did Meherjan lose due to river erosion? The answer is Meherjan lost her cultivable land, cattle, her house, trees, vegetable garden, and the bamboo bush due to river erosion. Question C. What do you know about Meherjan's family? Meherjan had everything once. She had a family, cultivable land, cattle, and the needed everything. Question D. In which season is river erosion most likely to occur? The answer is in rainy season, river erosion is most likely to occur. Question E. Why is the phrase Greedy Jamuna used to describe the river? What grid do you notice in the description? The phrase Greedy Jamuna is used to describe the river because people like Meherjan lost everything through a violent greed like the river Jamuna. In this passage, we come to know Meherjan lost everything only for the greed of the river mighty Jamuna. Indeed, there is a fill in the blank. You have to fill the blank with the words and phrase from the box below. Meherjan is a typical homeless woman who lives in Islam. In the first blank, the answer is homeless. She lost her shelter and properties due to the erosion of the river Jamuna. In blank 2, the answer is due to. She also lost her family. Her husband had died of disease caused by poverty and shortage of food. In blank 3, the answer is shortage of food. Now she is only a slum dweller. In blank 4, the answer is slum dweller. Like Meherjan, there are many people who have become the victims of river erosion. In blank 5, the answer is victim. River erosion is still posing threats to the lives and properties of thousands of people. In blank 6, the answer is threats. People living close to the rivers are the most likely victims of river erosion. In blank 7, the answer is close to. Each year, about 1 lakh people become homeless due to river erosion in Bangladesh. In blank 8, the answer is 1 lakh. Meherjan's life is just one example of how climate change affects the lives of thousands of people. In blank 9, the answer is example, and in blank 10, the answer is affects.